I've been in practice for approximately 20 years here in Jacksonville, and I specialize in working with couples, especially couples with sexual problems. I'm a certified clinical sexologist. I have several specialties. I work with couples, I work with individuals, I work with trauma, I work with sexual problems, and all of those combined make it the best possible fit for working with someone who's having relationship issues. When I say I work with communication, most people believe they know how to communicate well, but often they forget to listen. And listening is one of the key factors in communication. If you don't feel heard by your partner and your partner doesn't feel heard by you, then there's a good chance the communication is going to stop. And when that stops, your relationship is in trouble. So one of the first things that I do is try to get couples able to really hear one another again, instead of just reacting to what's going on. I believe that if you come and spend time with me, you will understand that I care about you as a whole person. 70 to 75% of my patients are people who have been referred to me by other satisfied clients.